This is iBorn. It's a bird feeder. They come in many different sizes and shapes with this company, and this one's a traditional one that you could take apart in a very easy step, clean everything, and put it back together and hang it up and watch the birds feed through the clear acrylic plastic. We have an instruction guide. It comes in green. You have your handle to lift up and hang. To feed the birds, simply lift and tilt back. It would fit a good amount of bird feeds. To take apart, simply unscrew the wing nut, place the wing nut to the side, and lift up. Take apart the bottom piece, and you're able to clean everything very simple. When placing on, make sure the circles are facing down. So this way the opening can put the seeds all over. Then simply place the cover on over the hole and place back on the wing nut and secure down. Do not over tighten. With your favorite bird feeder, fill up. The bird feeder has a hanger of 6 inches, has a roof cover of 7 inches with a clear tubulous seed compartment and the metal bar and plate with the feeding ring with 6 ports and a bottom seed tray catcher with a circular ring for perching and some drain holes down below. Let's go hang the bird feeder up and show you the birds enjoying their feast. Pick a spot to put your bird feeder, hang it, and wait for the birds to come. We have our bird feeder set up, filled to the top, waiting for the finches and the love doves to come by. We'll check it out as they feed on the feeder. I hope you enjoyed the review of the iBorn bird feeder. They come in different makes and sizes for your bird needs. Just add bird feed of your choice and watch those birds come in. This bird feeder is nice in size. It does a great job. Easy to clean up, easy to operate. Check online for further detail about your product on the bird feeder. I hope you enjoy your bird feeder if this is right for you.